Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall skilla! Wow, my people, Dancehall skilla there here again with some more things to talk to you about. Big up, respect, and manners to each and everyone. I hope that everyone are alright. Big up and respect, you see? Alright, now first things first. I am going to present a video to you that's going to show some things that happened before, during, and after a man hit a woman. Now, I got the understanding that the video will be recorded within Jamaica. A police service motor vehicle that you can see in the video have ST Thomas DIV mark on it. See? In the video, a man said some things that gave me the understanding that the person said, come out of the station or come from out of the station in standard English. See? And in a part of the video, you can hear when someone said, police just boxed the girl. You can also hear harsh language in this video, viewers and subscribers. And I'm telling you these things before I present this video to you, my viewers and subscribers. I got the understanding that at least one child was at the location where and when the video be recorded. In the video, you can also hear persons talking loud. And one of the reasons why I'm presenting this video to you is because this video is being talked about on social media. And I would like you, my viewers and subscribers, to look and listen to this video and tell me what you think about this video. Alright? Now, please bear in mind that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Observe. Alright, my people, when it comes down to that situation, there's still, it look away, I'm just going to point out certain things about the video because I don't have a full understanding about the situation, see? Alright, so, first of all, I think that the situation could have been dealt with better. Way better than that. See? Because, I tell you the truth, the situation, they look away. In the video, you can hear when someone say pepper spray. I don't believe in violence. When you hit somebody or you strike someone, I call that violence. See me? Or even aggressive behavior or hostile. See me I say? I only hope that at some point we will get a better understanding as to why persons we can see in the video who was not in police uniform was at that location. You see me I say? And if I get more information about it, I will let you know, my people. Yeah, if I get more information, I will let you know, alright? But for right now, you can let me know what you think. I'm going to move on to another video. I am going to present a video to you that's going to show a female. Now, in this video, the female said some things that gave me the understanding that she said that she got robbed. And I want you to listen carefully to the explanation that the female gave in this video. And you can also let me know what you think about the things that the female said in this video. And I would like you to share this video as much as possible to help bring an awareness. I really and truly respect the female doing a video like this to bring an awareness to people in the public. Anyways, here's the video. Look, listen, and observe for yourself.
Yes. Good morning. This is something I have to share with the public. On Friday, October 14, I went down to the St. Anne's Bay tax office to get a TRN for my cousin, my local cousin, because she got to C-section and she needed TRN. Her father deceased, the mother not about, so me have them a deal with anything. And So, join the line, reach up to the gentleman who will process the document for me. He said, "Miss, I have a problem, you know, because there's an error." So I said, "Sir, yeah, me know the error upon it, so it's just a simple mistake. You can't look over that." He said, "No, me have to go back to the JP to get it signed and stamp and come back to them." I said, "No, like 3 o'clock and at 1 o'clock, no." And I said, "Run, go on and come back, man. If you even come 3:05, just tell the security to let you in, cause I need the tell to come back." So I say, "Alright," so I just run out of the tax office, run across the road at the center and transport depot down there, so transport or traffic depot, whatever it be, at the bus stop there. So come and see me, I'll catch a Brownstone bus, because the bus now go to the town, so I have to go sit down in a taxi and wait till the full and, you know, me we get back in time. Anyhow, I stand up at the bus stop for about 5 minutes, then I see a car come from around bus parkway. Or in a Senance Bay town, whichever way, but at the direction they come from. So when them reach up to me, now me fan down the car and the car stop. I open the door. The glass wine up, but it's a red plate car. So I'm not worry.
Yeah. Red
you understand? Plate. So me going at the car, but from me going at the car, my face is something off. Because when me going at the car, the one at the back sit down behind the driver and he shuffle up and like me say, he put his hand at the side of the seat to the door. So something else. So I start praying on my mind, you know. I say, "God, what is this?" So I start make mental note of everything in the car, you know, clothes. But me can catch everything. Me start make mental note. You know. So me I say, you know, I say out on the road out there, so always have back up at traffic, you know. Traffic always build up, you know. So anytime the traffic build up, me I go jump out of the car. But unfortunately the traffic no build up like the day at that time. Because this is after 1. Right? So me did me I go on, you know, me I work things in my head, you know. But remember when me start got Rotary, you know, when me start the nursing, you know, them have the police department come in and the fire department, and them come in and them demonstrate to we and them lecture we on how to behave in the event of a fire or in the event of a hostage situation or a crisis or a break-in and all that. So all of them they start play back in my head, you know. So yo, me fearful inside, you know, right now me I tell to no go spin plotting me. Me fearful inside, you know. But me not show it on the exterior because I keep a calm composure because I say me no want to behave certain way and trigger them. You understand? So them no know yet to me, them no know so me pick up on them still, you know.
See.
So them a go on, but then after me realize I pay a female them a blow up on the roadside and the way up then I blow no male. Yeah. You understand? So I just me now and the 3 man in the car. So me a go on, and when me a go on, them pick up a girl out of Dancehall and then pick up the girl out of Dancehall. But when the girl a come in the car, you know, me literally I eyeball the girl, me take off my glass off of my face and draw my hand across the front of the line. I tell the girl, say, "Don't come in the car, don't come in the car." But so she's so taken up in her phone that she not see. Cause me I say, if she pick up on that and not come in the car, then she can call the police. And she can look around and catch her the license plate number and, you know, then the police then can maybe put up a roadblock somewhere. You understand? And apprehend them. Anyhow, that not happened, the girl coming out the car. So after, when we reach out Sandals, this so past Rio, coming towards Wochi, one traffic build up the right there so. But at this time now, me can't jump out of the car because the girl, daddy in, and she not aware of Wagwan. You understand? She not aware of Wagwan. So me I say, "Lord Jesus, me not have no chance right now." So, we go and go around the road about. So when we reach, we go out with the JPS place, they out there so. If you come round to Duns River, the one at the front turn around and go in the hand.
Oh, nice.
And so, a robbery this, you know. Don't give you all we don't have, you know. And we don't want no problem because we no dead. So the one side of me, I say, "Oh, give me your phone." So I hand him my phone. He said, "What you have in the bag?" And I hand him the bag. You know? So them I said to the girl, say, "Give phone," and the girl hang on the phone and I ball and I want to give them my phone and I say, "Oh no, take my phone, please do not take my phone, no, take my phone." So I say, "Girl, your life value more than the phone." I say, "Give the man them the phone, girl, a 3 dead left me have, you know."
See.
And if me dead then I have nobody, me say a 3 dead left me have. So me can't afford to lose my life because I money or phone. You understand? Me say, "Give them the phone," and the girl there ball and then drive and then go so and then turn back. Because I say to the driver, say, "Find somewhere and let them have and make sure they have fear to go where them go." You understand? So then turn back and then go back around the roundabout and then come back again, and then when they come back now, then turn up on the road where the march come down out there so. Out Reynolds. Where the march come down the hill, then carry up the hill up there so when they grow on the first corner then drop you off. When they drop we have now, they might say, walk up the hill and don't look back till we're gone. So I say, brother, I want people, you know, I can't piss up myself, you know, so I jump in at the culvert, because you have one culvert that we carry the water off of the hill come down, you know. And I jump in at the culvert and draw down my pants. So I draw down the pants and the man going and carry the driver. I turn around now and I catch the license plate. So after me that, I get up out of the culvert and drop my pants and run off down the hill. Back of the car. You understand? And I just give them enough time to go and ahead of me so they know sister we are come. And I run off of the hill. And the girls start run back at me. So remember when me I go up with one man, I walk I come down, you know. So when we see the man I walk I come down, you know. Me, remember say me see the man and I run and I start ball down to the man. I say, sir, please, lend me a phone. We just get robbed. Lend me a phone. I call the police. So the man lend me a phone. So when him lend me the phone, because I know the watch the police station out of my head. So I dial the number. And when I dial the number now, the police come on the line, but same time we see the traffic police, them will park around and pass around the boat. But me say, literally I said to the driver, so I say the driver, the police, them round this. So with the expectation, say the driver, I go stop at the police, them and jump out of the car or something. But the man cutting speed and take them, go through the police, them. So when we run off of the hill now, when we up on the phone with the watch police now, me see the bike man, them, so me start fan them now, but then I stop. So the man ball out, yo, the woman, them just get robbing us, so them stop and them come. So me I say, officer, may I explain to them and may I tell them whatever. So I say, I catch the license plate number still, you know, and I give them the license plate number. So I give them the license plate number. One of them drought him phone. And me don't know him at the panel, but I say, sir, I can't, him son of gas station go give a report. You know, I say, I can't gas station now, please, sir, because me school at one back Tuesday, because I work at one school. You understand? I say, school at one back Tuesday, and I can't go get the day for go deal with it, and she want the TRN Tuesday for go register for her CXC. So I have to go get the paper sort out and go back at tax office. You understand? So I run. And I did a fan down care and nothing. So when a policeman go in I run and stop and care and put him and say, drop her in a town and drop in a town and I jump in a taxi and I come exchange and I get the thing sort out and go back down a tax office and all that. After I left tax office now in the evening and come back, I go watch the station, go give the report. Give one, make a report. So I sit down and I tell the man what happened and whatever. The gentleman after me done talk and all that, the policeman and say, if me have the license plate number right down now, when I say whether I write down in my head, that etching in my head, that come like somebody take one chisel and carve in my head, because that can't come out of my head. Because that time make me say, fear kill me, you know, fear kill me. You understand? But me can't show up on the exterior, because I say, if me start behave like the girl now, them I go kill the two away. But all in a me know me a planning, because when I tell me I say, boy, when you reach out at the police now, you know, me go grab the handbrake, you know, me go grab the handbrake and pull up the car this at the police. And me I say, me good at dead in the process still, you know, but me know the police are going to hold them still, you know. But because the girl are being so and the man attention depend the girl run at the back, so me not have no time for do no time, I go see if me grab the handbrake. You understand? So after me go and get the report now, me I tell the policeman I go tell me, say, when me come now, this I want to report me come make, so then we can't from give a statement. So I say, sir, when me come give the statement, they must start the investigation. Everybody know. Say the first 48 hours after an incident are the most crucial point. You understand? The man them could have robbed about 50 or 100 more people. And surprisingly, when me attack yesterday, me I come from watching me I tell one driver in the car, and the driver said to me, say, I see him one next girl that tell me say she get robbed Friday again. Same Friday, I come from St. Anne's Bay. Yo, we no safe, man. We no safe. And me I tell you, no safe. We not take taxi. If you no see the taxi glass, wind up. You no go in it. No go in it. I want a red plate, no go in it. And if you no wind up, make sure you take mental detail. Take the number on the door and take the license plate number before you go in the car in the event. So things happen. And they might not kill you. You can remember, say, I did that taxi there, that kind of car there, the license plate number there, and whatever batch number there upon the door, whatever the number is. Yo, me thankful still, you know, me thankful, cause yeah, my money gone and my phone gone, but me still here. And I am a bundle of nurse right now, cause me have depression issue. Yeah, and me that improve gradually, but for the past 2 nights, me really not sleep. Like, every time me drop asleep, I the scenario replay in my head. So them a target females. I travel alone or in a twos. You understand? People, be careful. Kind of pretty out there.
You hear the things that what she said, my people? She said red plate, you know, in her part of the video, you know. Red plate. You see what I say? So in my point of view, you have to depend on your P's and your Q's. You have to be very careful. You have to be keen. You have to watch and make sure say you do things where now go put your life in a jeopardy. You can simply go to a road and decide to take a taxi. And even though the taxi have red plate on it, you might find yourself in a problem same way. My people, I want to share this video and help bring an awareness to the public. Share this video as much as you can. Because this is something we talk about in at least one other video that I post on social media. Help bring the awareness, my people. See? Once no life no last, everything else can buy back, but life can't buy back. See? I want to big up and respect to the female for doing a video like this. Let me know what you think, my people. Big up and respect to each and every one. Here's where I'm going to leave it. Until the next time, my name is Dancehall skilla. Big up.